Hey YouTube, this is Teen Techie, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Google Doc. And then by pressing the waffle icon, you can go and look at the Google applications and select Google Drive. And then by going to the new button on the top left, you can create a Google Doc. And it redirects you to a separate page with your new Google document. To rename your Google document, simply go to the top left corner, select it, and rename it. After you've done that, you can simply go back to your Google Drive and reload the page, and your document should appear somewhere on the bottom. You can then access it from there. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.